Hello students, welcome. And in this video, we will discuss IELTS Speaking Part 1. Topic would be memory. So the first question is, what do you need to remember in your daily life? Well, there are lots of things I have to remember daily. Most of it is mundane stuff like bills to pay, appointments, and work tasks. I often rely on notes to remember things. Okay. The second question is, why do many people rely on cell phones to remember things? In my view, cell phones have become indispensable, very important for helping people remembering things nowadays as our lives have become busier. Through smartphones, we can set reminders for anything. Also, we can make a quick note whenever we need to jot something down to refer back to later. Okay, we often make notes like on a phone, like we use apps such as Microsoft OneNote or Color Note to write something down. Okay, third question is, are you good at memorizing things? I'd say I have an average human memory. While I'm pretty good with faces and names and have a knack for remembering lyrics and trivial facts, but I definitely struggle with remembering where I put my keys, people's birthdays, and items on my grocery list. Okay. The fourth and the last question is, have you ever forgotten something important? Unfortunately, I've forgotten lots of important things over the years, including appointments, friends' birthdays, and deadlines at work. This has caused me some embarrassment as well, but thankfully, most of the times it has ended up as just being a minor inconvenience. Okay, so this was IELTS speaking part 1, the topic of memory. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button